So in the last video we discussed, we mentioned briefly slope-intercept form, which was represented as y equals mx plus b. I want to go over two other forms of a linear equation, and one of those is called point slope form. So point slope form is described as y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Right, so this can get a little bit confusing, but x sub 1 comma y sub 1, so this x sub 1 and this y sub 1 are the coordinates of a point on the line. So this is actually a point on the line that we're trying to describe. X sub 1 comma y sub 1 is a point on that line. And x and y are your independent and dependent variables. So point slope form, as you may have already determined, is used when you have a point and the slope of a line. So when you know the slope and at least one point, then you can use point slope form. So if you're given that a line has a slope of -2 and the line passes through the point -3 comma 4, then the equation of this line could be written as y minus y1 is 4, so y minus 4 equals m, which is -2, times the quantity of x minus x1, which is -3, so that's going to be plus 3. And there we are. That describes our line. That is an equation of our line. That is a perfectly fine equation of our line in point slope form. The last one that I want to go over, it isn't used quite as frequently, but it is called the standard form. So the standard form is described as capital A, x plus b, capital B, y equals capital C. So this is true where A, B, and C are real numbers, and A and B cannot both be 0. So A comma B cannot both be 0. And A, B, and C, A, B, C are real numbers. Okay. And that's all we're really going to go over for that. An example of this could just be written as -3x plus 4y is equal to +3. And that is as far as we're going to go.